Hedler, owner of Devonia Antiques for Dining, and today we'd like to show you how to clean a gold frame. Gently, please, really gently. These are some beautiful Tiffany & Company pieces, gold on sterling and gold. And the most important thing you want to do, especially when it's gold on sterling, is just to do it very lightly, just a little bit of a buff, because you don't want the silver to start going through. So take whatever favorite metal polisher you want. I like something that has a little jeweler's rouge. One of the brands, Mr. Metal or Semi Chrome, works really nicely. Give it a good shake. Put a little on a very, very soft cloth because we don't want any scratching. And just gently, just buff, shine, follow the instructions. On a nice smooth surface like this, it just takes a very light hand to get a nice lustrous look. And that's how you clean an antique gold frame. Thank you. We'll see you soon.